So let's see what happens when it turns on. Bang, and your boy is in. Just like that. That was probably one of the easiest setups I've ever seen.
What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
What's up, gang? Today I'm going to be using this to change my girl's CarPlay from wired to wireless. Supposed to be that easy, so I can't wait to do it. Let's jump into it. So first things first, she's rocking with a 2023 Honda Civic EXL hatchback edition, right? So let's take a look inside. Now stepping inside of her car, we can see we got about 7,500 miles on the vehicle. Come down. She did get the purple hoodie that day. I told you it was gonna happen. But first, this is her current setup. If any of you guys, hold on. If any of you all have any suggestions for the 11th gen Civic car phone mounts, yo, let me know so we can put a different one in here, because this setup is just not doing it. This is her current setup. So she uses this with this cord just jankily wrapped around here. We take the phone, we put it in here, and you take it from the bottom, plug it in, it connects up, and so then it connects up and you're here, right? You got all your little settings and the maps and everything, CarPlay. But what your boy would like to do is actually upgrade this setup, so that way she doesn't have to plug it in, she can just leave it in her purse, connect to wireless CarPlay, and supposedly this kit is supposed to make it happen. Bear with me, guys, it's 23 degrees outside. So let's go ahead and jump into this real quick. All right, so starting off, we got the little box here. It says wireless CarPlay, compatible with 98% factory wired CarPlay cars. This wasn't crazy expensive, if I can't remember. It might have been like, I don't remember, maybe 70, 80 bucks. Then it comes with these little things inside of it. Pretty sure they give you this little sticky pad so you can put it on here and actually stick it somewhere. Very, very simple packaging. Just so you guys can see it a bit clearer. This is what it looks like. USB-C plug plugs into this piece right here. Just take it, put it together. Now let's go over to the car. All right, so now that we're over at the car, go over here to our USB port. I'm gonna unplug that because this is the one right here that connects to your CarPlay. Gonna take the new one, plug it in. All right, so that's connected. So as soon as I plugged it in, it said, would you like to enable Apple CarPlay? You know, it gives you all of this. Just say yes. Boom, done. And I think this piece down here is now searching for CarPlay. So now I'm over on my phone. I went down to the CarPlay section. Boom, click on CarPlay. Click on my smart dongle. And it's gonna ask me if I want to pair. So now I'm a pair. Boom. Allow contacts and favorite sync, sure. And now it's pairing up to that. So let's see what happens when it turns on. Bang, and your boy is in. Just like that. That was probably one of the easiest setups I've ever seen. Now I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from it. Now if you want to just disconnect from it, you're just gonna click on it, boom. You come up here, you just turn the CarPlay off on it. Bang, and just like that, she gone, and you all set. All right, gang, so we in the whip, we got Shawty.
Hey.
All right, so she about to just connect up to the thing. So she's gonna do the same thing I just did. So we just hopped in the car, she turned it on, talking about our smart dongle up here, like I said, and then just come down here, and it showed up on her CarPlay setting. So just press it. Fine. It's gonna ask you if you want to allow your contacts and all that. Go ahead, allow that. So then we had to go back into the settings. So we actually had to unplug it, plug it back in after she did all that setup portion, and then boom, right in here. As soon as that, we pressed on it to connect back up, and now she got wireless CarPlay. So go ahead, like swipe through stuff, see if it works, just like it would before.
Oh, that's awesome.
All right.
Sweet.
So what you think? You could just like, you don't need this whole contraption.
Well, yeah, this gets in the way a little bit, so that's going to be nice. Now, will it automatically connect when I get in the car, or do I have to do something on my phone every time?
It should just automatically connect. So like, shut the car off. Fine, now turn it on. And then press your connect. Give it a second. Oh, it just automatically read it and then it turned on. And then it's gonna connect. It'll take like a couple seconds to boot up, and then boom, you in there.
Nice.
Yeah, much better than all of this. Maybe we get you a little wireless charger or something in here. All right.
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right.
Cool. Well, thank you.
What?
Like it. Love it.
All right, gang. So just like that, you could add wireless CarPlay to any car that has wired CarPlay already. That's gonna be so cool to have in her car because I know she hops in and out. You always got to try to like find the cord, plug it in so you get the CarPlay rocking. Know she's gonna love it. Hopefully you like it too, and hopefully this video helped you. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next video, and I think you're supposed to hit the bell or something like that for notifications. Anyways, it's your boy. We signing out. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for money.